Game is for everybody here. Well, I mean everybody in the troupe. It's going to be called Innuendo. What's going to happen for this great game is it's going to be a lot of one-liners. We're going to be giving you some innuendos, as the name would suggest, based on some objects, professions, things that we come to you for. So let's get a seasonal object, something you only use once a year.
Christmas tree.
Frisbee. Frisbee innuendos. Take it away.
Frisbee.
Frisbee,
yeah.
Frisbee.
Yes, that's the word.
I like my women like I like my frisbees, tossed between two black dudes.
I like my women like I like my frisbee with a big bottom lip.
I like my women like I like my frisbees being played with a dog.
Okay. You got one? Come on. Come
I
on.
like my women like I like my frisbees, doubles as a dipping pan.
Oh, yay. All right, with that, we're going to move on to a profession that you need a degree to perform.
Dentist.
Dentist. Dentist.
I like my men like I like my dentist. They just put a lot of instruments in my mouth.
Oh. I like my men like I like my dentist. When I wake up, I don't remember anything.
I like my men like I like my dentists. Drilling me really hard.
I like my women like I like my dentist. My insurance covers it.
Yeah, it does.
That it for dentists. All right, can I get a job that you do not need a degree for? Actor.
Hey.
Isn't that right?
Hey.
I like my men like I like my actors. Stiff.
Oh, man.
Way into his soul. That's what just happened.
I don't think we're going to top that on
stiff,
that.
and he just bop.
Not too stiff anymore.
Let's get, can I get an object that you would find in your junk drawer at home?
We're all actors and we can't come up with more than that.
Did you
Bell?
guys see that reaction?
Bell.
Bell?
Bell.
With the
Bell.
Okay.
Love.
Okay.
I thought I said belt. I was checking. Belt. Okay. Okay.
All right. Here we go.
Go for it.
I like shit. I didn't have any. I like my women like I like my bells. You get to ring them more than once. I don't know.
I like my men the way I like my bells. They sing a sweet song when you hit them.
I like my women like I like my bells, imported from China.
My women like I like my bells. A lot of curves.
I like my women like I like my bells up in a church house.
I like my women like I like my bells outside my door.
I like my women like I like my bells every hour on the hour.
All right. And let's get another profession, just anything in the world, any job. Dishwasher.
I like my women like I like my dishwashers. They just ream you out.
I like my men the way I like my dishwashers. A lot of different settings.
I like my men like I like my dishwashers. Latino and paid under the table.